Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing good. Today I want to talk about my morning routine. Today I will speak a bit slow pace so that you all can understand it properly. So without any delay, let's get started. Every morning I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Before I start my day, I like to do yoga and meditation. So I sit on a secluded place or in a quiet place. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. I do some yoga stretches to wake my body up. Yoga and meditation help me to keep calm and focused. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I take a shower. Then I get dressed. I wear a comfortable t shirt with jeans. Then I brush my hair. After doing this all, for 10 minutes, I do some morning rituals. I pray in front of God and thanks Him for everything. For breakfast, I like to eat bananas with milk. Sometimes I take fresh fruit with cup of milk. Breakfast give me energy and a kick to start my day. Then I check my phone, read all the messages. Then I pack my bag, keep my lunch box, and I put on my shoes and get ready for my college. After some time, I leave my house for college. So this is how my morning routine looked like. What about you? Please let me know in the comment section. If you have watched me till here and you like my video so that you can subscribe it and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much for watching it.